guys, thanks for joining me. Today I'm going to be doing a couple Easter DIYs, starting with these two little ceramic bunnies that I found at DT. I'm not going to paint them. I like the way they look, just the way they are. So I'm going to use these two little plastic jars that I'm going to put them inside just to kind of create a little Easter scene. And I'm going to use this Easter grass just to kind of fill the bottom of the jar. So I'm going to go ahead and glue the bunny to the bottom of the jar. I did remove the little piece it had in the top of its head. It was like a little metal ring with like a yarn or ribbon attached to it. And then I just kind of secure him at the bottom. And I'm gonna take this grass and kind of cut it down a bit, because as you can tell, it's pretty long. So I'm just gonna cut it a little bit shorter. And I'm gonna cut it one more time just to make sure the pieces fit into the jar properly. And then I just put the little pieces in and try to get the grass to lay down in a way that looks nice. And then I'm going to do the same thing for the second jar, except I did decide to use the yellow for this one. And this is how they came out. And then I did take the metal lids and I spray painted them white, just because I thought it would match a lot better in that color. I made a little bow out of this jute twine. I put a little hot glue on it and just stuck it to the front of the lid. And this is how it came out. I absolutely love how they look. I know this one was really simple, but I had a lot of fun making these. So for my next one, I'm going to be making a wreath, and I'm going to take this Happy Easter sign and kind of place it in the middle. And I'm going to paint it using these two paints that I got from Walmart in Toasted Marshmallow and Light Pink. So I'm going to take the light pink and I'm going to use one of these little sponge brushes that I got from Dollar Tree and paint only the bunny part pink. So this is where I messed up with my color selection. This toasted marshmallow wasn't as yellow as I thought it would be. So once I started to paint it, I realized it wasn't gonna work. So I decided, since I had to spray paint the lids anyway, I would just tape off the bunny part and spray paint the whole thing white. This is the spray paint I'm gonna use for both the lids and the sign. And I just did a quick coat over everything. Now moving into the actual wreath, I'm just gonna use this wreath ring and I'm gonna cover it with this burlap ribbon. It comes with 9 feet, but I did get 2 just in case. I'm just gonna put some hot glue at the end of the ribbon and just secure it to the inner part of the wreath ring. And once it's secured, I'm just going to wrap the ribbon around until it covers the entire ring. I did run out of ribbon, so I'm just going to glue the end down. Picking up where I left off, I'm just going to glue the ribbon down to kind of cover where I ran out of the first ribbon. I just want to make sure you won't be able to tell where the new one starts and the old one ends. And then once I'm done, I just flip over the wreath ring and glue the final end down. So this is how the Happy Easter sign came out. I did add a little cotton ball to the bottom, and I think it looks really cute. So now I just have to figure out where I want it to be positioned on the actual wreath. So now I'm gonna decorate with a few little extra things that I got at Dollar Tree. I removed this large egg from like its wooden little stem, and then I got these roses as well. And then this little egg, it came in a pack at Dollar Tree, and I just removed the ribbon inside of it. And I just got to figure out how I want it to be laid out. So this is how it looks. I am so happy with the way my wreath came out. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Be sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.